G'day guys, it's Burn Dog from Burn Dog's Garage, and today we're going to fit a battery to Matron, our Rover P5. I'm Burn Dog from Burn Dog's Garage. G'day guys, so today we're going to fit a battery to Matron here and just check what's working. First off, we'll check the fuel pump. It's got an aftermarket shaker style fuel pump fitted, so it'll be quite loud. We'll know whether or not. Also, there's no fuel, well, I don't believe there's any fuel in the fuel tank, so it's not going to pressurise and it's going to run pretty much non-stop. I've sat the battery down in place already. By looking at the terminals, I know it's still set to being a positive earth car because the terminal sizes will only fit on the battery one way around. One terminal's bigger than the other. So I've already deduced it is a positive earth. So let's connect this battery up first. So go. These are just loose, so I'll just sit them on for now because we're not doing anything super exciting like starting the car or anything like that. So they're sitting there. What I might do, I'll jump around in front, Belinda, and we'll turn the ignition on and just see if this fuel pump will work. So the fuel pump's working. We know there is power here. The car hasn't caught fire, but it is quite noisy. So just for now, I'll just disconnect the power there. I must remember to connect that back up later. Now we'll work our way around some of the lights here and just see what's happening. So Belinda, first off, I'll do the left and then the right indicator. I'll also turn the lights on and tail lights should kick in. I don't think there's any hope of that light turning on with the amount of wires hanging out loose there. But we'll just see, never know. Stranger things have happened, so I'll just jump in and we'll try those first. So indicators first and then I'll turn the headlights on.
Yep, left one's working. Right one's working.
Yep. Any tail lights?
No tail lights.
Alright, you want to come down the front and check the headlights?
Alright, so we're going to head down the front now, check some headlights out. So come for a quick walk down the car. Hopefully you won't blind me if they do work.
I don't think there's any chance of that happening. So.
Alright, so what are we going to test? Nothing's happening.
Nothing. So that should be headlights.
No headlights.
No headlights.
Oh, hold on. I just quickly had one of the small lights just flick on then, Bernie.
Yeah.
Not now, but it did. Sort of as you sort of did turn the switch off. Yep. Again, a quick flash. Yeah. No. Yep, the left one is, but not the right. No, nothing else.
So that says to me the switch is a little bit dodgy.
You want to test the indicators too?
Yeah.
Well, we're up this way. Right one's working. Left one's working.
That's left?
That's left. My left.
Sorry? Oh, your left.
My left.
You had me worried there, Belinda. Let's try.
What are we going to try? Wipers. All right, bear with me. All right.
No.
No wipers, Bernie.
No wipers. Just wondering what else we can check while we're here.
Whatever you're doing, I can hear something trying to move, but I don't know what it is.
I thought I'd see if the fan worked. But no. Definitely nothing happening there.
All right.
one last thing. Let's see if the horn works. So let's go out on a high. Our horn works. Actually, while you're here, let's just check the fuses. Maybe one of those has blown and that would be the cause of all our trouble. So we've got a hole of 2 fuses. Very complicated bit of kit here. We'll grab the multimeter, no need for voltage. So I'll set it for a tone if there's a circuit here. Test it. So that one's good. Big solid fuse, that one, so it's pretty easy to see. And that one's good too. So fuses are there. It'll just be bad earths and bad switches in the terminals. Just need a big cleanup, I would say. So we might leave it there for today. When I took the distributor cap off, I noticed that the coil lead through is broken, so I do need to fix that and get that working before we can try starting it. So that's something for in the future. I don't have the plug terminal at the moment to connect that up, so it'll be a trip down to the shops for that. But that might be it for today. Car hasn't caught fire. We know it's positive earth still. We know the fuel pump works. Know the indicators work and the horn. So it's a start and we can only go from there. Cheers guys.